This showroom is a glimpse into the future.
This place is all about demonstrating the latest in 5G and the latest in wireless technology, and we do that in a way that everybody can understand and relate to. Right downstairs, we have our national network lab, our device lab, and this is, we like to say, where the magic happens. This is where T-Mobile engineers are designing, developing, innovating, and testing the latest in wireless services, and we can tap into that, and we can share that with our visitors so they can see what's next.
That's the beauty of innovation. It's always changing. So we have the demos here, and they're either being enhanced or changed out because, I mean, 5G is fast, and innovation is too.
This is where we're having these great conversations and we're driving the business forward.
All the technologies here, all the previews you see around us, from remote control cars to drones to automated farming systems, are all powered by our 5G network.
We have all types of visitors, whether it's students, whether it's employees, whether it's partners, executives. Everybody can understand what the wireless technology is, how it's evolving, and those capabilities.
It's always great to have a group that asks a lot of questions, because that just means they're very curious, right, about the technology or about what T-Mobile is doing, and answering them is always fun too.
You see their expression and you see their excitement and understanding, wow, there's more to it than just my cell phone. There's so much I can do, whether it's AR, VR, robotics, drones, autonomous vehicles.
I love the diversity on our team. We have the engineers who work on the back end, who connect to the cloud, all of the technical things. We have the creative that builds the hardware, that tells the story, and then you bring it all together, and then it's just wow for our customers.
You want to make it tangible. So what's great about having the expertise and bringing and showcasing, using some of these demos to bring that conversation, that's what really brings the whole piece together.
I think it really enables us to dream big when it comes to coming up with new demonstrations or demos, right, for showcasing the power of 5G and the power of what T-Mobile can provide as a technology.
They're talking to somebody that's extremely knowledgeable, because they've got all this information, right? They're on top of their game. And this is a true trusted ambassador that's representing T-Mobile.
It's just great to be able to educate people and then also hear their perspectives, because also we get ideas from our visitors.
Being able to explain that magic and make it understandable to them is really fun, really great.
This is all cutting edge, and if we can help others understand the capabilities and how it works, that's how we're going to bring it all to life.